need to give myself some rest. Can you heal my curse? Can you take my mind away? I need to give myself some rest. Can you heal my curse? Can you take my mind away?
Stuck on the 6 speed inside the bubble, never travel out to a new scene. So that brings them motherfuckers in loose jeans. So now we got you stuck inside of the crossroad. I actually respect that you ain't never want more things, just 2 things. Always tie your shoes when they're loosening. Never go outside and catch a drip because one breeze can make it grow. Oh, what's inside of this loophole? I'm here for you. I'm here for you, here for you. But that ain't gonna kill for you. Left it all behind, right up on the hill with you. Now it's karma time, got the newest curse issue. Now it all makes sense, you prefer to blame me, so your rep won't drop and blend with the lower class and broken ends. Newsflash, you're what we call a broken trend.
I need to give myself some rest. Can you heal my curse? Can you take my mind away? I need to give myself some rest.
Body outward, white coffin and flowers, 2 seats for your bourbon, playful sparkles and ice. What a night like, my secret table.
Who's that?
It's a callback.
Hi. Hi, Sanders. Whoa. Hi, buddy. Hi.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh, you are so big and dusty.
I'm especially big.
Hi.
Hi. Good to see you. Hello. Finally, we're here. Oh my God, it's taken so long.
Party just arrived. Oh, you missed. Hey.
Action, filming.
Filming.
Took a shower today. It was great. Planet Fitness, I didn't even work out. I just went in, took a shower, and left. And that's all I did.
100% have done that before. And
Okay.
look at me now.
Brian's checking out the bus that is nearly identical to his.
Yo, this is so much more space. So much more room for activities.
Have you not been in it?
No.
You know you went in Ben, didn't you?
No.
You didn't even go in?
I didn't see it.
It was in the shop.
This is the first time I see it.
Oh, it was in the shop while you were there.
Yeah, first time I'm seeing it right now.
Oh wow. Welcome.
Like Sanders even fits in here.
We've made some changes. Quirksy. Wait. We got 1 body, 2 bodies, 3 bodies, 4 bodies. Kopek, look at me. 5 bodies.
Kopek, come here.
Oh, I can only do 1 hand. Put up a finger for me. 6 bodies. Wait, no. And 7 bodies. I think I can safely speak for both Kat and I when I say that we are extremely excited to be here, extremely grateful to be here. We're happy. I've mentioned it a couple times already, but this is kind of like the first place that we were trying to go, and we've been derailed so many times, and it just feels really good, really relaxing, and really nice to be here with friends, having a good time, enjoying company, and it kind of feels like our journey in this bus has finally begun, and we're both internally excited and just like rested and relaxed now. Something that we've both needed for about a month now. Basically, since the day I picked up this bus, we've needed this kind of relaxation and excitement, and we're here and very grateful.
I've said it many times, I know I would change my ways, I know for sure. When all the crows decide to meet, they settle down beneath my feet. I've got it right and I got it wrong, but I learned my lesson hanging on. Come sit here with me by the fire. and let it go for a little while. So be here as the night starts falling. Let my fingers walk over your head. We got nothing to be scared of. I'd rather be with you than by myself. Now all is in your hands. Control will lead me to an ending road, and heavy metal seemed to be the only thing that was for me. And I saw the angels coming down, and they sang a song, they sang it loud, and I still remember parts of it.
So we've been in Sedona for about, 4 days?
Yeah.
4 days, recorded next to none of it. We've gotten a lot of work done, got to hang out with all the friends that you saw in those last clips with the fire and everything. Had a friend from high school, one of my best friends, who happened to be in the area at the same time. I got to see him, spend time with him. But now we are moving on to...
The forest. Flagstaff.
Yes, now we are moving on to Flagstaff, and we're excited because as much as we enjoyed it here in Sedona and as much as it was a beautiful sight, it's hot and it's dusty, and we're excited to get to the forest. Have a little bit of shade, maybe a little moisture, and be at a higher elevation so it's cooler.
Yeah, we got here with all the complications with the bus and Quirks' health concerns. It took us a little bit longer than we hoped to get to Sedona.
A lot longer.
We missed some of the cooler temps and even hail that happened out here.
Yeah, we were actually planning on being here like a month prior to when we actually got here, but lots of delays, as you've seen. Thank you so much for tuning in to Zeppelin Travels with Kat and Sage. Tune in to the next episode to see as we travel from Sedona into Flagstaff. While we're there, we explore the area and do some much needed updates to the bus. We'll see you in that episode.